went to help a mate one day. He'd helped me out before. Had a truck stuck in the scrub, a mile or maybe more. We hooked a chain behind my ute, tough as they come, you see, and headed out to drag it home. Just him and good old me. That Toyota roared and pulled real hard. The gravel flew behind. The dust was thick, the corner sharp, but I didn't seem to mind. My mate was hanging on for life. I heard him faintly shout, "Slow it down," but I was blind. The dust had shut me out. That old Austin truck was humming like never before as we slid around those corners with the ute out in the fore. My mate was white and shaky, but we made it somehow home. And he said, "Next time I'll do it on my own." I thought it went as smooth as silk. I gave a cheeky grin, said, "Mate, that was easy." That truck just rolled right in. He stood there pale and speechless, his hand still shaking sore. Said, "I've seen my life flash by, and I just can't take much more." That old Austin truck was humming like never before as we tore down through the gravel with the ute out in the fore. My mate was white and shaky, but we made it somehow home. And he said, "Next time I'll do it on my own." Now every time I see that truck sitting by his shed, he gives a grin and shakes his head, and this is what he said: "Thanks for all your help, but that ride was rough as hell. Next time we'll just drive to Clearing Sales. That'll do us well." That old Austin truck was humming like never before as we flew round every corner with dust clouds in a roar. We both lived to tell the story, but his color's never grown. And he swears next time he'll just do it on his own. Yeah, that old truck's retired now, but the legend still rolls on. But the next time he said, "I'll just do it on my